Fun learning with Anhal. Like, subscribe and share. Let's learn about the seasons. There are 4 seasons in a year: spring, summer, autumn and winter. Spring, king of all the season, comes before summer. It is the season of beauty, fresh leaves and flowers. Butterflies come out of their cocoon. Animals start to wake up and become active. People love to do fun activities like hiking, traveling, and picnic. Summer comes between spring and autumn. It is the hottest season of the year. People love going to beaches in summer. It is the season of vacation, picnic and fun. People love fruits, juices and ice creams in summer. Autumn. Fall comes before winters. Leaves begin to fall and turn yellow, orange and brown in color. Weather turns windy and rainy. Birds start to migrate to a warmer place. Some animals stock their food for winters. Winter comes after the autumn. Coldest time of the year. Snow falls in the winters. Days are shorter and nights are longer. People wear warm clothes in the winters. People lit fire to keep themselves warm. Children make snowmen in the winters. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked the video.